Fire dispatch, call Howick Fire.
Go ahead.
Yeah, we're acknowledging the page at Rocker.
There's a copy of the page acknowledged 2317.
Fire dispatch, Howick Fire Unit 26.
26, go ahead.
Fire dispatch, you can show 26 responding with 5 on board. Can you give us that address again, please?
For the address is Sanderson Street between and Roxburgh.
Copy that, fire dispatch. Sanderson.
That's 10-4, 2320.
Fire dispatch, Howick Unit 26.
Go ahead, 26.
Fire dispatch, can you tell us exactly what the call is?
Homeowners reporting the smoke alarm is going off, not stopping, but going off for a little bit. She's tried to take the battery out or stop it from sounding, and in the process she fell. She says she has arthritis and she's unable to get back up, but she's refusing to have an ambulance attend. Again, the alarm is still sounding in the background.
Copy that, thank you.
Fire dispatch from Howick Fire
25,
25.
go ahead, please.
Yeah, dispatch, you can show 25 responding, 2 on board.
Roger, I copy. You're responding. 2 on board is 2322.
Howick Base to command.
Howick Base 26.
We have 4 firefighters here. Would you like us to attend?
Just hold there for a few minutes. We're on scene here, just pulling up on scene.
Copy that.
Fire dispatch, Howick Fire 26.
26, go ahead.
Fire dispatch, you can show Howick Fire on scene at Sanderson.
Roger, I copy. You're on scene at 232415.
Fire dispatch, you can show 202 command and mobile.
Roger, that 202, you're in command and mobile.
Howick command.
Command, go ahead.
Contact us at May. Please guard your
02, your transmission's a bit static there. You've had patient contact. She's now in a chair and you're investigating the alarm.
Fire dispatch 25 is on scene.
Roger, 25 on scene,
26.
2322.
Go ahead, 26.
Yeah, you guys can stand down and clear.
Copy that. Standing down.
Fire dispatch command.
Go ahead.
Fire dispatch, can you get an ETA on the end?
Homeowner refused ambulance. I can give them a call if you'd like them to attend.
No, that's fine. We thought they were en route, but no, she's refusing it. It's okay. She just couldn't get up because of her bad knees. It seems okay.
Roger that, I copy. Ambulance not required. They are not en route.
Dispatch, out.
Go ahead, come in.
Fire dispatch, you will command terminated, and we will be returning.
That's Roger, command, I copy. You've terminated command units returning to base. It's 233713.
Fire dispatch from Howick Fire 25.
25, go ahead.
Yeah, you can show 25 clear and returning part 2.
That's Roger, 25 clear returning part 2. 2238, 39.
Fire
dispatch, Howick 26.
26, go ahead.
Fire dispatch, you can show 26 has returned with 5 on board.
Roger that, copy 26, you've returned to the house, 5 on board, 2345.
Fire dispatch, Howick Fire 25.
25, go ahead, please.
Yeah, you can show 25 off at quarters.
Roger that, copy you back to the house, 2345, 31.
Fire dispatch, Howick Fire.
Howick, go ahead.
Yeah, fire dispatch. We didn't get any voice with that message tonight.
Roger, I copy that. Due to the hour, it's a little bit late to do a pager test. Or do you want us to just do a test?
No, that's fine. The tones come through strength 5, but there was absolutely no voice, so we don't need to do a pager test.
Roger that. I can make note of it. If somebody wants to touch base with dispatch tomorrow, maybe we could do a pager test in the morning. Maybe it was just operator error.
Yeah, fire dispatch. We'll do a test tomorrow. Also, just the phones, the 911 phone thing, it didn't work either. Or it went off, but it didn't have any information with it either.
That's 10-4. I will make a note of it and make sure that day shift is aware, and we can move forward from there in the morning.
Copy that. Thank you. You can show us back in service.
Roger that. I copy back in service at 235048.